In Unit 11, First Grade, Adventure Stories, students will be introduced to adventure stories set around the world and challenge students to dig into the adventures through research. By listening to read-alouds and trade books, students will increase their vocabulary and reading comprehension skills, learn valuable lessons about perseverance and teamwork, and become familiar with gathering information for research. Students will study the careers of real-world explorers Dr. Eugenie Clark and Sophia Danenberg, marvel at the inventions of Jacques Cousteau, think critically about how teamwork and collaboration can make greater adventures possible, learn about the science and technology that enable adventures, and research some of the ways humans have confronted challenges at the edges of the world, from the oceans below to space above. Each lesson in the unit builds students' research skills as they ask questions, gather information, and write a paragraph about their findings. Students will share what they have learned about adventures in an adventure gallery walkthrough. By taking on the persona of one of the adventurers they meet in the read-alouds and trade books, students will deliver their final paragraphs as if they are a speaking portrait of that person. Students are invited to dress up as adventurers if they desire. Also, in this unit, students will explore the genre of research writing. Through graphic organizers, each lesson will build students' understanding of the research process, including brainstorming, asking questions, gathering information from texts, and writing about what they have learned. To show what they have learned, students will write a paragraph about their chosen adventure topic. Students will learn about diverse explorers, including Dr. Ellen Ochoa, Dr. Mae Jemison, and Jacques Cousteau, all models of perseverance and examples of what can be accomplished despite barriers and discrimination. Through these adventure stories, students will broaden their perspective of the world, while gathering facts to write an informational paragraph, which forms the basis for their culminating gallery walkthrough activity. Remember to discuss these essential questions in Unit 11. What was the author's purpose for writing this text, and how do you know? What is an adventure? Give an example. What is research? What types of resources can we use to conduct research? How do we listen for interesting or important information? Now it is time to adventure to Unit 11 Adventure Stories.